I love how Ryan's called I sexed Obama.
Osama,
I mean,
you fucking
Bin Laden.
retard.
Yes, I cannot get that right for life.
I've had some pretty cray moments on Day of Infamy, man.
Oh yeah! Oh, you know!
Oh, you know!
Timon!
Timon and Pumbaa! Oh, too much! Tank Rescuer! Avenger!
Shut the fuck up.
No
Did
way.
you know I had to go to the student council once? The mental health teacher, whatever you want to call him, because I was being quiet.
Why? What happened when you went there?
Oh, I was just being quiet like every other time, and then he's just like, damn, this must be because of mental health. I just got pulled out of my English class, and I just get taken to this really queer room. I have no idea where it is, like in between, like A and B, and he's just like, "Are you alright?" And I'm just like, "What is going on?" Yeah, you're right. We don't know.
It's a song about me, it's a song about
It's all about
me,
you, isn't
it's a song about my individuality, about the clothes I wear, about the color of my pubes, and it's about...
Ryan!
Matt, can you please tow me before I die?
Look at the tank I'm in, Ryan.
Tow me!
Look at the tank.
I've become a fire totem, Matt, because of you.
fire totem.
Oklahoma, when the wind comes right behind the...
Ryan, take that.
No.
Take it. Back.
I refuse.
Take it. Back.
I refuse.
Take it.
Ah.
I'm gonna play a song and you guys are gonna get really confused, okay? Are you guys really
Yeah, I
to get
guess.
really confused?
Iron Maiden the Trooper.
Okay, this is not what I meant to play.
Alright, so Morgan's just lied to us. He's just making up excuses at this point. Sabotage!
You actually need to stop.
No! So late reaction.
Watch
You'll
out.
get gangrene. Oh my god, I just destroyed a tank. One shot, boys. That's enough.
No.
Fruit salad. Yummy, yummy.
I am fruit salad.
I am Optimus Salad.
I am the Optimus salad.
I am Saladmus Prime. Oh,
When you're
man.
flying and the game ends and it just like feels like you hit a brick wall.
Yeah,
Just
exactly.
poof. Shit, did I hit a really big bird or something? Big bird!
Big Bird's
Big bird, what are you doing here?
No! Oh, hello!
Suck my dick. Please.
I'm gay. No, no, I'm not. I tricked you. I'm not actually gay.
Did you get out of your plane?
If the game forced me out of my plane.
Ryan, did you get out of your plane?
Yeah.
Who are excuses for, Ryan? Did you just try to give me an excuse?
They're for losers.
Yeah, that's right. And what are you, Ryan?
I'm a loser.
And why are you a loser?
Because
What?
I used an excuse.
And what was that excuse?
That the game kicked me out.
And why did the game kick you out?
Because that's how the game works.
No!
Good enough. That's not good enough for me, Ryan.
I just got a measurement and yeah, and Ryan, guess what? Big fly.